20 divided bracket 80 divided 4 square multiplied 7 divided 7 bracket closed plus 12 divided by 4. So there are number of operations, division, then there is parenthesis, and within parenthesis you can see we have exponent, division. So we need to solve this question based on order of operations, and this order of operation you can remember through the mnemonic called Pemdas or BODMAS. So let me show you how you can solve this question based on this order of operation. In PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis. It means that we have to solve the parenthesis first. Parenthesis means the brackets, the smaller bracket, the curly bracket or the box bracket. So here we have this parenthesis part. So we will first solve this. In parenthesis also, we have to follow this PEMDAS rule. After parenthesis, the exponent takes precedence. So here we have 4 raised to the power 2. So first we will solve this exponent part. So let me write it like this. 80 divided 4 square is 16 multiplied 7 divided 7. Now you can see that in PEMDAS rule we have multiplication first and then division. However, with multiplication division, they do not have any precedence over each other. Multiplication and division, they are grouped together and we have to solve whichever comes first from left to right. So from left to right, we have first division. Again, you can see that here we have one division and again a next division. But in between, we have a multiplication. So going from left to right, we will first take care of this division. So 80 divided by 16, that will give you 5. Write the other part as it is. 5 times 7 divided by 7. Now here also, going from left to right, multiplication comes first. So we will solve the multiplication part first. So 5 times 7 is 35 and then divided by 7, and 35 divided by 7 gives you 5. Now we can remove this whole parenthesis and replace it with 5. We solved this whole parenthesis. So let's write it 20 divided 5. We remove the bracket because we are done with this operation, entire operation, plus 12 divided by 4. Again, division takes precedence over addition. So we will do this part first, going from left to right. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. We can write like this, 4 plus 12 divided by 4. Now here we have addition and division, and again division takes precedence over addition. So 4 plus 12 divided by 4 gives you 3. Now you can add the numbers. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So this is your answer. So remember this rule, whether you follow BODMAS or PEMDAS, multiplication, division as well as addition, subtraction, they are grouped together. You have to follow the rule of left to right, whichever comes first. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.